Alright guys, another load in the Hot Point 3D zone. And we're just going to use these store brand. You can see the company of store, so really don't matter. Yeah, we're just going to open those up. Take one out. Now then, let's show you what we're washing. Basically, we're just washing all these cups in the upper. Except there is one bowl, but that's not a problem. That's all in the upper rack. Not much going on in the upper rack. I think the lower rack has more fun things. I actually have to kind of open it like that. I can't really use the handle because of the trays. But there's two pots, one lid which goes to that pot there. We've got the two trays, plates, sieve for pasta and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's all in the lower rack. So yeah, all in the lower rack and everything. I have cleaned all this off because it was getting quite disgusting. Rush at the lower rack. I can show you that I've cleaned it all off here. That wasn't looking too pleasant before. I've done it on this side as well. Oh, it's so much better than it was before. Anyway, that's not really the point at the minute. The point is we need to get the thing running, so I'm actually going to have to get it. I know it's on a chair, very random, but that's where it was last. Wet water left in the dispenser, it's not a good idea for when you put the tablet in, because the tablet reacts to the water, and that looks so much better. And there are the measurements for powder and gel. Now I'm going to simply show you put the tablet in. Yeah. Right. Now we can turn it on. Yeah, tablet light on, number 3, auto normal 55 degrees. So yeah, we'll run that in a minute. First we also need to check the sprouts. Lower rack. Seems to spin just like it should. The upper. Spins just like the lower rack did. And then the jet at the top there. I don't need checking because it's a fixed spray. So it's not a spray arm, it's just your traditional hooked up jet. Many dishwashers have this. I've only seen certain companies do the spray arm at the top. Miele especially. Most brands just choose the hydronic system, probably because it's cheaper to make, stuff like that. Yeah, also there's a safety switch which hooks up. And I've noticed that it's not metal, that is the plastic. And you can tell the difference. Yeah, there's a sound difference. Anyway, let's shut the door. Right, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share if you want, and until next time, see ya. I've got things to do, so I've got to go. Bye bye.